Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca Shanice and I'm here with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. So now I'm just lighting a candle to set the mood. So here I'm just showing y'all the roots on my pothos. I'm about to repot it. And here's the basket that I will be using when I repot my pothos. It's just a hanging basket. I like the details on it. It's really cute. So now I'm on the phone FaceTiming with my brother, and he is walking me through this because, you know, I'm a beginner plant mom. And so he just explaining to me what I need to do. And you see I'm on the phone with him trying to figure out how much soil I need to put in there. But I just put some to the top, and I'm going to rinse the pothos off that's in that water. And then I'm going to just stick the roots in there and re-water it. And then look at him. He's not even paying me no attention. Because, child, he love watching his stories. His stories is Law and Order. And so this is the part where he just walking me through, telling me that I need to dig a hole into the soil and stick the roots in there. And now I'm just watering with some distilled water. Okay, y'all, so this is what it's looking like now. I'm pleased with this. It goes with like my little room decor or whatever. Only thing is now, I was gonna hang it today, but the little thing here, I don't have the thing for that, the stick in the wall, well, up there in the ceiling part. So now I have to wait until I go out. So I'm just gonna keep it sitting here for now until I can get one of those hook things. But yeah, I like it. And this is my other baby, elephant ear. Okay, you guys, so I'm getting ready to do a little makeover to my closet. And I already started buying some things. I started this project like a few weeks ago, but I also needed one more of those. Ended up getting one yesterday, and I bought one of these for my shoes and stuff. And I bought these hangers. I want all my hangers to be this color or black. Y'all can kind of see like what I'm doing. But I need another one. It's gonna go over here, and I'm gonna have to take everything out my closet, start building this other one. And I also bought another one of these. I don't know if it's gonna fit, but we'll see. Maybe I can slide it over a little bit more. I also got this macrame. My cousin gave it to me. I have also made some changes to my room since the last time y'all have seen my room. This is what it's looking like. I'm not finished with it, but y'all can kind of see what I'm doing. And I got this cube organizer for my TV stand, and I got clothes in those. I got rid of my dresser. As y'all can see, my dresser is out of here. So I have this desk now. I know I'm about to clean it off, but I'm gonna do a little small, clean, and the main thing of this video is me organizing my closet. Makeover, basically. Okay, so this is what my room is looking like. So y'all, it's a few more touches I got to do in here. I ain't gonna explain too much of that in this video because I'm supposed to be just talking about my closet. But yeah, I just had to do a little tidying up before I put the clothes out on the bed. So this is the cube organizer that I'm about to put together. Okay, so I got majority of the pieces, you know, together, y'all. And to be honest, this was faster than what the other cube organizers. I don't know if they remade it or redid the instructions, but all I have to do now is put those right here and the other one right there and screw it, and I'll be done. So yeah, let's see how it's gonna turn out. Okay, so y'all, I'm finished building this. So now we're about to head in my room and start taking stuff out my closet. Okay, now y'all, I'm trying to figure out, do I want to set this one on top of that one or have them both the long way? So I'm about to see which one I like better. That's fine too. I don't know. I'm gonna see. So I decided to do it this way, and as you can see, I added that other shoe thing, and I already put my pants and a couple other items in there. And I just got my dresses and my skirts and my blazers hanging up. So now I'm just going through folding up my shirts, trying to color coordinate them. I had to sit my tail down, my back started hurting. Okay, y'all, so this is what the closet is looking like now. And I just put some stuff up there to make it look cute. And I just have like t-shirts that I just throw on when I ain't really got nothing going on. These are like shirts that I wear when I'm getting ready to go somewhere. Those are biker shorts, some dresses and rompers. Those are some shorts. Those are my black leggings. Those are like flare-up pants. These are shorts. Yeah, these are shorts. These are some button-ups. And those are my jeans. Those are some lounge around pants or pants that I can just wear out. And those are some more tights. Okay, y'all, so I am finished with all of that I'm going to do to this closet. I got rid of some of my boxes and I added sneakers. Those up there are mainly like my boots and stuff. I'm gonna try to find me a rack so I can have those to sit on, and eventually I'm gonna find somewhere to put that. But I have to get some more hangers because it wasn't enough, so we can all, you know, coordinate. And y'all check out these cute bedroom shoes, slippers I got from Walmart, $3. I also got these too. They was $3. They're very comfortable and I like them. But yeah, and I just got some stuff over here. But yeah, y'all, I'm really liking how it turned out. I apologize for the lighting in here. It's dark now, y'all. It's almost 11 o'clock. And I was determined to finish this video tonight. I'll give y'all an update on my room once I get everything I need. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I also hope this video helps and encourage you to get up and do some things around your house. But please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.